Time to make some chili sauce. Start off with 8 pounds of tomatoes. I got them all quartered up. 6 large onions, 2 green peppers, 1 jalapeno pepper, and a large bunch of celery. All that stuff goes through a grinder. That's what it'll all look like after it is all ground up. Very liquidy. The liquid's taken care of though. You'll be adding half a cup of coarse salt, spreading that and mixing it in. Then you'll be going through a cheesecloth. I got the cheesecloth lined with a colander underneath it. And then you're supposed to hang it up for 6 hours to overnight. We'll be doing it overnight. And that's what it looks like when it's all packaged up in the cheesecloth. Now if you really want a good snack, you save all the juice that came out of that. It's nice and salty and very flavorful with all of the vegetables in it. The purpose of the salt, along with seasoning, is also to help draw moisture out of the little chunks of vegetable that are left. The tomato, the onion, the green pepper, jalapeno, the celery. And now it's a matter of hanging it up overnight so it continues draining. See you in the morning. And that's what you do. You hang it up so that all the extra liquid can drain off. See you tomorrow morning. Now after hanging overnight, that's what it looks like in the morning. I'll put it in the pot and then add the rest of the ingredients needed. Okay, now to that you add 1 pint, which is 2 cups of vinegar, 3 cups of sugar, 3/4 a teaspoon of allspice, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of thyme. Then you heat it up till it comes to a rapid boil. Boil it for 5 minutes and then you can it. Okay, when you're getting it up to where it's near a rolling boil, you need to stir it almost constantly. You get your cans and your jars and your lids prepped, and then you go at it. Oh, there it is. It's all canned up. We ran out of half-pint jars. That's what we usually put it in. But we got 5 half-pint jars and 3 1-pint jars from that batch. That should be enough to last one more year. Have a good day.